Hello, in today's video, we're going to talk about financial literacy. This is a topic that's important for everyone, yet many people don't know where to start. If you want to learn how to manage your money, plan your budget, and avoid financial mistakes, this video is for you. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively manage your money. It involves knowing how to create a budget, save money, and use financial tools for saving and investing. Why is this important? If you don't develop financial literacy, you might end up in debt, unable to save, or mismanaging your money. All of these mistakes can negatively impact your life. Knowing the basics of finance will help you avoid these problems and take control of your financial future. Budgeting. How to create a budget. Budgeting is the process of planning and controlling your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you'll know exactly what you're spending money on and how much you can save. Here's how you can create a simple budget. Start by dividing your income into 3 categories. Essential expenses, like rent, utilities, and debt payments. Savings. Set aside at least 10 to 20% of your income for savings. Personal expenses. This includes entertainment, shopping, and anything else you enjoy. For example, if your income is $1,000, you could allocate $600 for essential expenses, $200 for savings, and $200 for personal spending. Why is this important? Budgeting helps you keep track of your finances and plan for goals, like saving for a vacation or buying a new gadget. Savings and emergency funds. One of the most important aspects of financial literacy is building an emergency fund. This is money set aside for unexpected events like illness, job loss, or an emergency. How to start saving? You don't need to start with a huge amount. Begin by saving just 10 to 20% of your income. For example, if your income is $2,000, try saving at least $200 each month. By the end of the year, you'll have $2,400 saved. Keep your savings in a separate account so you're not tempted to spend it on everyday purchases. This will help you build discipline and create a safety net. Credit and debt. How to avoid common mistakes. Credit can be useful if used wisely, but it's important to understand how to manage debt to avoid financial problems and unnecessary interest payments. How to avoid debt pitfalls. Before taking out a loan or using credit, make sure you can afford to repay it. Don't borrow more than you can comfortably repay. Pay off credit cards on time to avoid high-interest charges. If you need credit, use it responsibly. Always know how much you need to pay each month and stick to a repayment schedule. Investing. How to grow your wealth. Investing is putting your money into assets with the goal of earning a profit over time. Unlike savings, which just sit in an account, investments help your money grow, like in stocks or real estate. How to start investing. For beginners, there are a few options: stocks and bonds. Investing in companies that can increase in value over time. Real estate, buying property to rent out or sell for a profit. Mutual funds or ETFs. These allow you to invest in a diverse range of assets, reducing risk. Remember, investing comes with risks. It's important to start small and invest wisely, so you can grow your wealth without taking unnecessary risks. So what have we learned? The basic elements of financial literacy are budgeting, saving, managing debt, and investing. These steps will help you manage your money effectively and reach your financial goals. Start small, create a budget, save a little each month, and learn about investing. Financial literacy is a skill you can develop, and the earlier you start, the easier it will be in the future. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.